Hurry up. On that.
I'm not sitting on it.
There.
Ah.
Okay. Get that up.
Okay, we have to say our names. You picked it.
Oh, you did.
You did.
You said you do.
Hi guys, it's me, Marleigh, and my cousin Addison. We're going to do tasting challenge with all these candies. Yeah, you're going to say all the candies.
Lemon heads, cherry heads.
Say it louder.
Lemon heads, cherry heads. I don't know. I not know what this one is. I not know what this one is. Right here.
This
And
one.
this one.
And she knows this one's grape head.
Jawbuster, grape heads, red hot.
Yeah, those are all the candies we're going to be tasting today. They might taste different. I'm going to be first doing the tasting challenge, and we have all the candies. Put it up. And Abby, my aunt,
And my mom
is going, and her mom is going to get us more candies for our video, but we're not doing it right now. We're going to finish these candies, and then we're going to do the other candies. Same.
split.
But we were on
Not gonna split.
But we were on a computer before we started our videos. And then that made us on the wrong sides. I was on this side, she was on this side. That was opposite. And when I was on this side, I was on this side. She was on this side, she was on this side. That's crazy. Now we're going to start the challenge.
Pour that down. Over your mouth, okay?
No.
Okay. Turn this way. Not that way. The other way.
I can look how I want to.
Well, then I can't. I'm gonna pick one of these. She is out. She does not know about it. So I am gonna pick, not gonna tell, and it's either gonna be lemon heads or grape heads. Or red hot. And I'm gonna open it, I'm opening it, and I'm opening it, and I'm opening it, and I'm opening it. Now, I am opening the other.
The problem is, guys,
sour.
that
Like
we
red
are
heads.
opening up different kind of these.
How about we do two?
No, we'd have to do one.
Okay. Did you see them?
No.
Okay.
I do not even know what they are.
I got one of them and she does not know them, so I gotta get that one out. I'm gonna have one too. Even though I know what they are. I actually like them. Ow!
And we have to guess which one it is, and I think it's lemon heads.
Right.
Now I get to go. You have to give me lemon heads. No, you have to put it back up here so they can see it.
I picked lemonade.
Yes,
No, we don't put
you
it
have
back
to put
up
it
there.
back up here. You put it right over
No.
here.
I think these will be the jawbreakers. But I don't really know. Because I haven't tasted it yet. And I think I know what they are. And the jawbreakers
Give me
were
it.
not what I was actually thinking of. I knew it. Red Hot.
Yes. Red Hots. We
No,
need a
no,
drink
no.
down here for the Red Hots. I gave Addy Red
Pause.
Hots. I got a Red Hot. She doesn't know it. She was like, I went like that. And
I do know that.
she got me lemon heads, and I guessed
Is
it
it
right.
still recording?
Yeah,
Go hit stop.
I'm still in it.
Hit stop. Because you guys are leaving.
I'm not leaving it. I'm not leaving it though.
Okay, go sit back down.
We are putting the candies on the side.
Okay.
One. Go, go, wait. Go, go, wait.
We need both of our drinks. Okay.
That was not even mine. Slide it. And this is what we have for the cool down. Okay, where's the blindfold? Give me the blindfold. Where'd you put it? Oh, it's over here. Ah! I'm sorry. That was very funny. I was looking for the blindfold and I found it.
Where? It's a. Oh. I'm gonna pick. I'm not telling. Hey, you can see that. You can still see.
No, I can't. I can't even hardly see. Where are you? Lucille. Where are you?
I knew you got the red hots. Cause
I'm gonna have to guess
I could act
the one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to guess like
We
this.
can
I
also
guess.
go. We can go over you and see what you got and try to. You can also pick from those.
Yeah.
I haven't even got one yet.
It's giving in my hand.
Okay, and it's also gonna. No, I'm not telling you the code. Hey, stop looking. Put that back over.
You have to tell me a color of it.
No, because then they're gonna know which one it is.
I don't even know the name of it. I forgot it. Okay, let's start over on my turn. You have to tell me the name what you're doing first. You have to tell me all the names first.
So, Lemonheads, Jawbreakers.
Okay, I know it now. I know it now. Jawbreakers. I know it. But I'm not
Okay,
guessing
then
Jawbreakers.
Okay, this is the one I'm doing.
It's hard.
I already know the next one that I'm doing.
Jawbreakers.
Oh, the red hot is still in my mouth.
Jawbreakers.
Yep, you got. How's my tongue still hot? It's still.
I guess Jawbreakers. You're dumb.
And I do not know what this is because I haven't tried it.
Yeah, we haven't tried
I'm gonna
all
lay down.
these. We always know the names.
Okay. Remember to have your eyes closed.
Yeah. But I
My
let
eyes closed. Hey. Oh.
me. I'm over here. I'm still getting it.
Hello? Oh.
Got it. You're peeking.
Let's jump.
That's it.
It tastes like. It tastes like chocolate.
Guess which one it is.
I think I'm gonna try one too. Red Hot.
No.
No, I'm not getting that. So I'm thinking of the ones that are left. Oh, I know what they are, but it's the one that I didn't know the name of.
You know it, baked beans.
Oh, I didn't know the name of it.
I'm gonna try one
This
too.
is her turn, and it's gonna be one of hers.
Yeah, and I'm going to taste one of these.
Oh, yummy, yum, yum.
Mmm.
See?
Another one?
It tastes like chocolate.
Another one? Kind of like
Here, yeah, I know.
Mm.
And they're hard. I'm not gonna job burger at first, but they're not.
I'm still eating this one.
It's yummy.
I can't even say anything.
Two kinds. It's either gonna be cherries, grape heads,
Cherry heads or grape heads?
also lemon heads, or red hots.
No, you can't pick out mine.
Yeah,
No,
you can pick out mine.
I didn't get to pick out yours.
They're just so yummy.
You're not gonna get mine.
Oh. When somebody picks, how about when somebody picks, we have to put them all back up there. So it's my turn, so let's put them back up there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said we can't have them.
There's the ones that we got.
Oh, we can still get the ones that the other person had, because they're up there.
Mine already standing.
Ow. This one can't really stand, so it has to be behind it. Cherry heads. Cherry heads. And
Okay.
I'll let you pick any of mine. So to
Okay.
this,
You have to pick out mine now.
no, I can pick any of them. They're gonna be one of these. And she does not know. And I'm not telling her the one. Oh, sorry.
I think I know.
Oh,
What was that? What's your name?
I spilled something. What do you think they are? They taste
Red
good,
Hots.
I spilled the red hot. When I put it back, they're gone. There. So, wrong way. That. Look what it is. Oh, I gotta put it on, and then you can look what it is.
Yeah, we'll show you.
No.
What it is. I want to show 'em.
You do it first.
This is what we look like. Look at me.
That's
my
her.
camera.
That's her part. Now here's my part. Yeah.
And we look very crazy.
We look like robbers, but we're not.
Yeah, we don't steal stuff we don't get. Our moms have to buy us stuff.
Yes.
This is her side. Look, turn it around.
Alright. Like, hey. Look in the face.
Turn it around.
Hey,
pick
not
out.
ready yet. I'm still not ready.
I want to sit down for a minute. Hold on, I'm choosing. You can like, ow, wait, which one it is?
Ow! It's just hurting my eyes too bad.
Then keep your eyes closed.
Okay, I have.
I'm picking out one. I don't know which one to pick.
Hold on.
What?
Potty break.
Potty break.
I have to do potty break too.